We are back now with one of our legal experts, in fact, Michael Lundy from Lundy, Koch, and Martino, to discuss some nuances of family law, specifically when we're talking about our friends in the LGBTQ community. Michael, first off, good to see you again. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for having me.
So I like we're talking about this segment today. I know this is something that you've seen a lot of success with when it comes to your firm. So let's first dive in. Are we talking about the same rights when it comes to a same-sex couple versus a heterosexual couple?
So since 2015, when the United States Supreme Court ruled on this issue, all states now have to recognize same-sex marriages in the same manner that they would recognize heterosexual marriages. So generally, yes.
Let's go ahead, though, and ask, too, if you're talking about a same-sex couple who is choosing not to get married for whatever reason, are we talking about different nuances of the law when it comes to the same decisions that, say, a heterosexual couple would make if they chose not to get married as well?
We are definitely talking about a very different legal application.
Really?
So the divorce laws are not triggered, and the statute that governs spouses' rights and obligations is not triggered absent a legal marriage. So for those people who decide to live together and not actually get legally married, the best that they're going to be able to do is to enter into certain types of contractual agreements or to title property together or engage in some other legal mechanisms that would give them some rights and obligations. But they're not going to ever be able to claim things like alimony and certain other marital rights that may arise out of a marriage.
And that's exactly what I was curious of. Are there legal documents, legal things that people need to know when they are in a relationship to maybe set forth in advance in case there is a separation?
Absolutely. I mean, there are a variety of contractual mechanisms. There are also things like trusts and estate planning documents that can provide for what happens in the event parties separate or one of them dies. I mean, for example, if a married couple owns a lot of property, but that property is titled in one person's name and there is a death, the spouse is automatically going to be entitled to take some or all of the estate. In a situation where people reside together and there is no marriage, there's no such automatic right. So the only way to make sure that somebody's taken care of is to enter into the right types of documents.
Makes sense. You know what? One thing, too, that comes to mind when discussing this, talking about children, and it doesn't matter biological, non-biological children. What happens in a situation like that if we're dealing with a same-sex couple who, unfortunately, have not chose to get married and then are dealing with a separation situation?
So this can be very complicated because there are a lot of different variables at play. For example, there are situations where in a same-sex couple, one person provides the egg, the other person carries the child to term. Who is the biological parent in that scenario? Typically, the best way to address this, especially if there's not a marriage, is through adoption proceedings that ensure that both parents are determined to be legal parents of the child. And in that way, even absent a marriage, they'll both have parental rights and obligations in the event of a separation.
So I'm curious, you know, it seems like in all of these situations, whether we're talking about children, whether we're talking about assets, it's smart just to have a plan set forth. And I feel like, Michael, that's where you're able to come in and really able to say it's that first step that can make a difference no matter how the situation may end. Is that right?
Absolutely. I mean, the best first step is to consult with somebody who's got the right legal expertise. Part of it is about what you know, and a huge part of it is about what you don't know. And that's our job, is to sort of fill in those blanks and to help people understand the total picture of what their rights could be.
Sometimes you don't like to think about those, separation kind of questions, but you got to be prepared. Michael, thank you so much for your time today and talking about this subject. We want to be sure, share your website, share your phone number. There it is on your screen so people can get in touch with Lundy, Koch, and Martino today. Thanks again, Michael.
Thank you.